Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone. First of all, you have to just go to your setting of your phone. Then you have to just go to your Safari setting, and here you have to bottom in the below you will see clear history and website data. So you have to just click on that, and after that, so let's go into the App Store, and basically you have to search the application. The application name is Cloak, Cloak. So guys, you have to install this app, and after installing you have to just open this app. You have to just click on the continue, and you have to don't allow, and here you have to enter your screen password, and after that you have to click on continue once again, and here you have to click on the middle, and basically here you will see all the application which is available on your phone, right? So for example, if I just click on the social media, I will able to see all my social media application which is present on my phone. And after that, if I want to hide here WhatsApp, so I will just click on the WhatsApp, and on the top right side corner you can see the done option, right? So you have to click on the done after selecting the apps, right? And here bottom down you will see the hide option, so just click on the hide and your application has been hide, right? Now you can see that you will not able to find the WhatsApp in your iPhone, right? And to unhide you have to do the same thing. You have to just go to back to the that's the same mobile application Cloak, and you have to unhide that WhatsApp. So this is it guys. So this is super easy. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.